Hey, Dustin here from OCD, San Diego's most obsessed detailing and ceramic coating company. We have people ask us all the time, do you only do top tier cars? Do you only do sports cars? Mine's just a Prius or mine's only this. Any car is a car to clean. So if your car is worth some value to you, if it's a Prius, it's a minivan, BMW, nice truck, we love them all and they are all worth protecting and detailing. So give us a call today and we can help you with this. Let me flip this around, show you what we got done on this minivan and what we could do for yours. This thing is a 2003. It's never too old to take care of your paint as long as it's not peeling or chipping off. But we got a full chemical decon, clay bar, metal oxide, mineral oxide remover, and then a single stage correction polish. Really got some life out of this thing. So like I said, if you have a vehicle that you want to maybe rejuvenate a little bit, get dialed in, if it's new or if it's semi-used, give us a call today. We can't wait to work with you if it is a sports car or if it is a minivan. We're going to make it look good.